You know when you look at a piece of art and you just think, I don't get it. Right, we've all been there. What if there is a way for everyone to walk into an art gallery or exhibition and find something they can all relate to and understand? Well, we all have an imagination, so this means we're all creative people, with the ability to take something someone else has created and see it through our own imagination and perspective. Creativity can inspire all kinds of things. Well, hopefully becoming pretentious isn't one of them. It can unleash our inner artist and help us to create something like this. So, now we know we can take subjects and look at them with a different perspective, an open mind. Why don't we take the subject of art and creating? Who is it for and what's its purpose? It can open our minds and help us to be more perceptive. This skill can change the way we look at things. It can give us new perspectives, which can help us see situations, even those in everyday life, from another person's point of view. This helps us to become more rounded people. The best part about it is that there are no rules. There's no wrong or right answer to art, it's just our opinion. So let's take those newly discovered creative minds and let them run wild. Or maybe a quick trip to the art gallery just give us something to shelter from the British weather. So where would you be without art? For these people, art has changed their lives and given them a new purpose as well as a job. And what would society be like? Perhaps it would be dull and restricting, and we would lack culture and human identity. And what about Beyoncé? Where would she be? She's art, right? But what if art isn't for everyone, and not everyone is able to access it? What if it's only for the privileged, and we shut the doors to everyone else? What if the creators are the only ones who can choose the art that we see? And what if art just isn't everyone's cup of tea? What if they don't want to see it? What if some people don't understand the art and it only bores or confuses them? What good would that do? What if we open the doors to our art galleries and museums, and the type of art that's on show, and help make art more relevant and accessible for everyone? Well, that's what Who Decides aims to do. It aims to bring people together, from all over the world, all in one exhibition sharing their thoughts and ideas. It allows you to choose the artwork that's on the walls and gives the homeless and minority group a chance to be heard, sharing their thoughts and feelings through the artwork that they have selected. So, now we know that art should be for everyone, we should make it accessible for all. That way we might be able to understand one another. Who knows where that could lead? Did you guess right? It's you who decide. And it's up to you how art can change the world. Just think about how it could change your life and go from there. Maybe it already has, and it's up to us to make bigger changes.